Are you serious? You've been working this project for 4 days and you still don't have root cause? Using lightning problem solving methods, you should be able to find the root cause of your manufacturing problems in just 3 days. But in all honesty, some projects do take longer than 3 days. I'm going to give you some examples of roadblocks that can make your projects take a little longer. The first roadblock is if you can't measure your part or if you have a very hard time measuring it. For example, one time I had to develop a measuring system that would be able to measure a curved surface on an assembly line going full speed. I needed to measure 7 points on each part, so what I did is I made a curved fixture that enabled me to measure each part 10 times faster than normal. Needless to say, this added a little time to my project. Another example is measuring noise. If you don't have a variable measurement system, noise can be very hard to find root cause for. The second roadblock is if you can't reproduce the failure. That could drag your project out longer. Another project, I had to make a special fixture to rotate the part fast on a lathe to simulate what the part sees in a car. It was awesome because the lathe technician even added a brake to heat the part, simulating a load that the car would see going uphill. But some people wondered if that part failure was comparable to the failure in the field. I needed to confirm that this failure was the same as the field failures, so that took me a little bit longer. Roadblock number 3, if you can't find very good parts to compare to the very bad parts, or vice versa. Maybe all the parts are bad and it's hard to find contrast. Or maybe it takes a long time for the parts to fail in the field, so it takes a long time to get your hands on bad parts. But otherwise, using lightning problem solving methods, you should be able to find the root cause in 3 days. Almost all of the projects I've solved, which means I've identified the main root cause in just 3 days. And you can do it too. Even projects that people tell me are unsolvable, I can find contrast and solve those projects in just 3 days. It's important to always be growing and always be learning, right? After each project, you should always be asking yourself, how could I have solved this project faster? If your problem-solving methods are normally taking longer than 3 days to find the root causes, it's time to rethink the way you're attacking those problems. If you need help solving your manufacturing problem lightning fast, give me a call or send me an email. Or maybe you want me to train you so you can solve all your projects in 3 days. Give me a call or send me an email. I want to hear from you guys too. Comment below on how you solved an impossible project quickly. If you like this video, subscribe, check out my other videos, and have a great day.